Hey everyone, Gus here, January 16th today, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a frozen river there, and it's pretty interesting that there's a boat. I'm not really sure what he's doing. I guess he's sitting in the ice because you can pretty much walk from one side to the other on this one. But as I mentioned, it's January 16th, which happens to be a Tuesday. And you know what that means? It's time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. So let's drop the countdown and let's go. So today I was teaching a course about customer service implementations. And one of the things that it was interesting is, we were talking about how do you make it faster for customer service representatives to get up and running and start solving cases. And one of the things we talked about is the fact that when you log into Dynamics 365, when you log in as a user, you have to sort of navigate your way to where you want to go. Now, obviously, this is different between company and company. Some companies will start on a view, like My Active Cases, and go from there. Some companies want to start with a dashboard, like a My Customer Service dashboard or something like that, and get started from there. And some companies leverage queues in order to distribute the cases and have people work on whatever cases they need to be involved with. And one of the things that I mentioned today as a best practice is that you always want to customize or change your personal options to land whatever you do most of your work. So obviously on the customer service side, if you're working with queues, for example, you want to make sure that you land on queues, that you change your personal options to land on queues. If you work on the marketing side and you're leveraging Click Dimensions or you're using the newly released marketing app, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you change those settings on your personal options to land whatever you're supposed to be. That way you don't have to spend time navigating from one side to another. So again, today's tip is change your personal options so you can land whatever you do most of your work. That will speed up the process. Don't wait too much to load and switch from page to page, and it will give people less excuses to do work in Dynamics 365. See you next week.